Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Whatever suffering there is in this world, all arises from desiring only myself to be happy. Whatever joy there is in this world, all arises from desiring to share my happiness with everyone. In our interactions with others, gentleness, kindness, respect are the source of harmony. The rule of friendship means there should be mutual sympathy between them, each supplying what the other lacks and trying to benefit the other, always using friendly and sincere words. Until he has unconditional and unbiased love for all beings, man will not find peace. Hatred never ceases by hatred, but by love. Why do we persist in our anger, our hatred, our fighting? Why do we have intolerance, selfishness? We do not truly understand that everything arises from our minds, that every thought we have is instantly felt throughout the entire universe. Ignorance leads to ego, ego to selfishness, selfishness to resentment, resentment to anger, anger to hatred, hatred to annihilation. Our problems are not solved by physical force, by hatred, by war. Our problems are solved by loving kindness, by gentleness, by love. There is nothing more dreadful than the habit of doubt. Doubt separates people. It is a poison that disintegrates friendships and breaks up pleasant relations. It is a thorn that irritates and hurts. It is a sword that kills. There is nothing more worthy than the virtue of selflessness. Selflessness unites people. It is a healing herb that unifies strangers and brings families together. It is the love for others that is higher than self-love. It is our only hope. He who experiences the unity of life sees himself in all beings and all beings in himself. He looks upon everything with an impartial eye. If we fail to look after others when they need help, who will look after us? Indifference brings indifference. Loving kindness brings loving kindness. Always be mindful of the kindness and not the faults of others. Pity arises when we are sorry for someone. Compassion is when we understand and help wisely. Loving kindness is giving others happiness. Compassion is removing others' bitterness. Joy is freeing others from suffering. Phenomena are preceded by the heart, ruled by the heart, made of the heart. If you speak or act with a corrupted heart, then suffering follows you, as the wheel of the cart, the track of the ox that pulls it. If you speak or act with a calm, bright heart, then happiness follows you, like a shadow that never leaves. Cultivate peace first in the garden of your heart by removing the weeds of selfishness and jealousy, greed and anger, pride and ego. Then all will benefit from your peace and harmony. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Develop the quiet, even state of mind. When praised by some and condemned by others, free the mind from hate and pride, and gently go your way in peace. Focus not on the rudeness of others, not on what they've done or left undone, but on what you have and have not done yourself. Serenity, respect, simplicity, self-control, purity of thought are virtues of the mind. Generosity, stillness, gratitude, happiness, purity of feeling are virtues of the heart. If the causes we create arise from wisdom, so then will the results. If the causes we create arise from ignorance, so then will the results. There are 3 ways to correct our faults. We can change through behavior, through understanding, or from the heart. When sitting quietly, reflect upon your own thoughts. When speaking with friends, do not discuss the rights and wrongs of others. Even if everyone else is not doing good, I alone will. Even if everyone else is doing wrong, I alone will not. When giving to others, do not linger on thoughts of I am giving, what was given, or the one who has received. He who receives kindness should never forget it, but he who performs it should never remember it. Through true honesty, deeply believe that all sentient beings are one, that all beings have the same true nature, wisdom, virtue. Loving-kindness can never exist unless it flows from the mind and heart, from understanding and love. Loving-kindness as thought is tranquility. Loving-kindness as speech is softness. Loving-kindness as activity is altruism. Loving-kindness as practice is peace. Speaking pleasant words without practicing them is like a fine flower without a fragrance. If you know anything that is hurtful and untrue, do not say it. If you know anything that is helpful but untrue, do not say it. If you know anything that is hurtful but true, do not say it. If you know anything that is helpful and true, find the right time. Our words should be carefully chosen, for people will hear them and be influenced by them, for good or for ill. Greed and anger, ignorance and arrogance, doubt and wrong conceptions. Even these can be restrained by the heart that is calm and compassionate. Natural laws are impartial. Only those who are virtuous are in harmony with nature. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts, we make the world. Overcome greed with generosity, anger with lovingkindness, ignorance with understanding. Perfect wisdom, perfect tranquility, perfect compassion arise from our love, our sincerity, our understanding. Good fortune comes from selflessness. Misfortune comes from selfishness. When we think only of sincerely helping all others, not ourselves, we will find that we receive all that we wish for. If we can look upon our work not for self-benefit, but as a means to benefit society, we will be practicing appreciation and patience in our daily lives. In separateness lies the world's great suffering. In unity lies the world's true strength. To be honorable in thoughts, sincere in words, good in deeds, is to have the heart of a Buddha. May all sentient beings be filled with loving kindness and happiness. May they wish to become healing herbs in the days of epidemics to cure the ill. May they wish to become rice plants in the days of famine to save the hungry.